To install WebEx Teams, open a browser and paste the address webex.com/downloads. You'll come across a screen that shows WebEx Meetings and WebEx Teams. Select WebEx Teams and click on Download for Windows. Once you click on Download for Windows, the download process will begin, and you'll see in the lower left-hand corner a file that is downloading to your computer. You'll be clicking on that to start the installation process. Once you see that finish, you'll be clicking on that. This is step 1 referred to in the instructions on screen. So click on that file and the installation process will begin. Click on Next and allow the installation to continue. To launch WebEx Teams, make sure the box is clicked and checked and click Finish. You'll see a screen about the license agreement. Click on Agree. At this screen, enter your work email address, your username at snhd.org, and click Next. From the main screen, you'll see that a profile has been created for you. You are recognized by virtue of the email address you entered. You'll see that the phone settings isn't quite set up yet. To fix that, click on your profile and click on Settings. From there, click on Phone Services. Make sure your username is entered, and your username is just your username. You do not need the @snhd.org portion. Enter the password you normally use for your email and click on Save. You'll receive a message about emergency dialing. Click on OK. You'll see now the phone settings icon has updated to show that it's properly set. And click on the phone icon to make calls. You'll see a keypad, and you'll be able to make phone calls.